Hey everyone, so here's another video of me with bald bald head, and it's going to be a shimmery red kind of smoky eye. We're going to start off with a clean face. Even though I washed my face, I still had some makeup residue, which is totally normal. Just take out a makeup wipe and do your thing. Also, if you moisturize, it generally gets rid of the rest of the residue that's on your face. I use, of course, Rockstyle Cosmetics. Then I went in and I did some concealer on my lid with my finger, and then I patted it down with a beauty blender. This just really gives like an overall natural smooth look, and I always use this as my base. I went in with a transitional color, which would mean anything that's close to your natural color. So this is going to vary from person to person. And then with my finger, I went in with black. The thing with black is that it generally comes out as a gray color until you really build it up. This is the case for most black eyeshadows, which is fine because in this tutorial, we're using this as a base. So we're just going to get it basically a little bit darker than what it is right now. And then we're going to go in with a red shimmer. Of course, I'm using the Your Shadows or Your Beauty shadows from my Amazon affiliate link. I'm pretty sure it's sold out, but I always use this palette. I am going to try to switch it up, but you know, whatever. Then I'm going to go in with that original fluffy brush, and I'm just going to basically buff out the ends because the ends were a little jagged from the black that I had put on. Then I'm going to go in with a red color, and I'm just going to again go above and blend in above and just kind of really smoke it out. This is where the real true smoky redness is going to come. And then I'm going to go in with that black color again and just pump it right into the corners. It's okay if it overlaps with that shimmer red color. Then I'm going to go in with that shimmer red color again. We're going to concentrate it right in the center and then also bring it towards the corners of your eye. Then we're going to go in with eyeliner. I like to use a eyeliner pen or a liquid, especially if you're using shimmer shades. It's just much easier. We're going to wing it out. I don't connect it in this because it was getting really hard to do in the viewfinder, but you got to connect the wing. That's what you got to do. Then I'm going to put some eyeliner on the bottom, and that's going to be like a kohl liner. And then I'm going in right now, and I'm using a tinted moisturizer. I mean, it's literally almost my exact color. It is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I just put that all over my face, and you really want to make sure you blend it by your neck, especially if it's not a perfect match. Then I'm going to go in with the concealer, same one I used on my lids, and I'm going to put it on with my fingers underneath, and then I'm going to blend it out with the Beauty Blender. This is one of the most underrated parts of doing makeup. This is just going to really brighten up everything. It just truly changes the way the makeup sits on your face. So really concentrate on this. Then I'm going to go in with the RCMA setting powder, and I'm going to pump that under my eyelids to help it not crease. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzer, and I'm just going to do C shapes on my face. Then with a clean brush, and by clean I mean I always use this to remove that setting powder, I'm going to then take it to remove that setting powder under my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with a totally different brush, and I'm just going to put the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Retrograde on the apples of my cheeks. So it's not really going to sit up high. It's just going to kind of be a little bit lower. Then I brush through my brows. If you wanted to color in your brows at this point, that would be a great time to do that. But since I had my powder brows done, I didn't need to do that. So I just brushed them up. Then I'm going to curl my lash. I'm going to put some mascara on, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, curl it, then put mascara on, and then after that, I'm going to put on my fake lashes. This is generally done off camera, but just to give you guys an idea. Then I'm going to go in with this really pretty brown color that it's almost like a nudish kind of color. And then on top of that, I'm going to put some red. And that is the final look. Just going to smush my lips together. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!